Glad to see you on the channel. My name is Oscar and I'm Trader. Today we are trading on the Binomo platform, the link to which is in the attached comment, and the link to my private Telegram channel is also in the attached comment. Join for free signals. Today we have a trading strategy called scalping. It's quite a well-known trading strategy, but unfortunately not all traders know how to use it, especially beginners. Many don't get why to use it at all. Today we'll tell you what advantages this strategy has and why. If you're a beginner, you should start with this strategy. Let's get started. So first of all, we need to open a line chart with you. The time frame that is used in this strategy is either 1 second or 15 seconds maximum, because we here need sharp price fluctuations. It is on these fluctuations that we will try to open our trades, so we will not risk too much. Let's imagine that I'm a beginner, I have $300 in my balance and I want to increase it. And now I will show you how to do it. So first of all, we pay attention to our expiration time. Here we set time intervals. So look, here before this mark, you have the opportunity to open a trade. This deal will end here, approximately here. We will have 40 seconds, so we need to choose the shortest time. This deal will end here, approximately here. We will have 40 seconds, so we need to choose the shortest time. We wait for the moment when the price comes to this mark when we have the least time. Then we open trades. So you need to choose a good entry point to open a deal and also to choose the shortest time. So we wait until this movement continues and reaches this mark, and we will open the first trade with you. I will also show you a method that I have been using for a long time, several years literally, to split all my trades. It is necessary to do this, guys, because this way you reduce the risk of losing the whole deposit. This is very important, especially if you're a beginner and do not know how to control your balance. So take $50, split it into 5 trades, and then everything will be fine. Here we have the price approaching our long-awaited mark. We opened literally for 30 seconds on the downtrend. We see sharp price fluctuation occurring, so we try to open at each such fluctuation in its highs and lows. So if the price is at highs, our task is to open trades on the downtrend. If it is at the lows, then we should open trades on the uptrend. So now the price begins to go up. Therefore, most likely it will be necessary to change the vector of our movement and open at the lower points exactly to the uptrend. So let's set the trend line below. We see that we have the lows here, and approximately when the price approaches these points, our task is to open upward trades. Initially, try to determine the trend of the chart in order to open a correct trade. By the way, now I had a great opportunity to open a trade for 30 seconds at the highs, but I didn't have time. So now I'm waiting for the price to react downwards. See, it's happening, and I open trades here. We have enough time for the price to turn around with all these sharp fluctuations. Moreover, we have split all our deals, so some part of them most likely should be successful. So our deals are in progress, exactly 50 seconds till the end. So let's wait for the result. This is why we need to split all our trades, guys. Firstly, volatility has decreased, and secondly, the reversal occurred a little bit below our main support level, so we had such an unpleasant situation, but nevertheless, we have lost particularly nothing. To safeguard yourself, do the same. Let's move on to the next asset, and here I immediately open quite a large number of trades, as many as 5 trades. Here I notice that, firstly, now the price is at the support level, it's right here. And after the downward movement, the price, went sideways. It progresses smoothly from level to level, so there are the chances that there will be a reversal. There is a breakout here. I open again trades also for the upward movement. The expiration time is a bit longer, 1 minute, 15 trades at this point. Here I'm sure there will be a reversal. Just a lot of volatility on the asset. Waiting for the result. This is an awesome signal, guys. This is a good reversal from the support level which we have identified with you. Look carefully at these fluctuations and understand at what points you should open positions. Here we had to open at this level because it turned out to be stronger. The first approach happened here. Look, downward movement, the first touch, fading, and reversal. So we should have opened positions at this point. But we opened a little bit earlier and also split all the trades. So as I said, I was sure that the reversal would happen. There was a sharp upward movement, the trades were successful, and we made a profit. We proceed to the next currency pair. So let's look at the situation right here. First of all, the chart. We see at once that the price is going up, the trend, so we have an upward trend here. Here we have determined that our support level has broken. So now this support level in this point has become a resistance level. It turns out that now we will open a trade on a sharp fluctuation in the opposite direction. I think it will be to our advantage. The most important thing after determining the trend is to wait for the reversal point. The reversal point will have a little higher, so now what we are doing is just watching the fluctuation on the chart. By the way, we can also open with you on the uptrend. It's enough to determine the support level. It is here. And let's open here right now, trades on the uptrend. We opened 6 trades at $60, and unfortunately there is a breakdown. But in general, this is quite an unexpected movement because we knew in advance that we would have a reversal at the highs. After all, the trend has already been broken. Although we had an upward movement here, and now we can see that the trend has changed and the price is making new lows and new lows. Let's see. So I will show you this level. We have local minimum going down and local maxima going down. So the price also flew up. But as you can see, we haven't broken through the resistance level. The resistance level is here and the price literally reached it and immediately turned around. So this is the simplest analysis. This is the simplest trade. This is scalping, guys, as I told you in the beginning. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you to start trading with this strategy, but be patient. So here we have the price at the highs. Let's open here now in the opposite direction. If there is a sharp impulse, the impulse is happening. We open here on the downtrend, 8 trades for 1 minute. And every time after updating a new highs, we had price reversals, and now we also have a reversal at this high. But I want to tell you that here I immediately see that maybe right now we will have the trend reversed. You know, like after such a long correction, after a long sideways movements, you know, the price can return to the main support level, which is right here. Therefore, we can observe an upward movement right now. This is very interesting situation. And here it is also very important to learn how to identify the upcoming trend reversal. You must understand that nothing is permanent. A trend replaces a trend. So it's very, very logical. You say yes. In this case, we're in such a situation, and the only solution here is to open overlapping trades. Now there is a reversal, and let's open overlapping trades on this reversal. You can see that the price has approached our level, and at this level we have a reversal. That is, the price has reached its new high, which is cool. Open trades again on the downtrend, 25 seconds left. So here all our positions were pretty successful. At some point some of the trades could have failed, but it didn't happen, fortunately, because the downward price trend continued. We have made a good profit with you today, guys. I hope that I have shown you at which points it is best to open trades and how to use scalp. I hope you like this video, guys. Please click like and don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel where trading sessions are held every day.